Hello, my name is Tony Schutt. I am the Executive Vice President for Kannegiesser ETECH here out of Minneapolis. We are equipment manufacturer for industrial laundry systems and equipment. And sat through a great speaker workshop here at Vistage with Dale, and taught us. I'm not a very financial person, but he really helps simplify some of the basic financial functions that I can use for to take back from my management team. The productivity pyramid that Dale explained is definitely a key takeaway that I will take back and utilize. Yeah, it was a very valuable session, and I'm happy to maybe even follow up more with Dale in the future. So it's good.
Hold up the book, the manual you got.
Yeah,
Knowledge is power.
I want a free manual.
Okay, great.
Thanks, Dale.